How's it going, everyone? Today we're installing this JetTech tempered glass screen protector on the brand new iPad. And let's go ahead and pop this open, and you can see that we do get this little alignment tool thing right here, which is really, really nice to have. And we'll put that there for a second. But first, we want to clean the screen off. So we do have this little thing that we can use. So we can use the cleaning wet wipe. So we're going to first use that to clean our screen off right here. So we'll take that apart, and you're just going to slide it on here. You can see there is little dust particles and stuff on the screen. So we'll go ahead and clean that off. Perfect. And now you want to take your wipe and just wipe off any residue. And now we're going to take this part right here, and the top of the iPad is right here, which aligns with the top that it says right on this device. And we're going to go ahead and just press it right on every side. There we go. So that's nicely down. And then you want to get your screen protector right here. And you want to first see that the camera part does go right at the top right there. So that's perfect. So we're going to pull from this little thing, and the sticky part's on this side, so we're going to flip it around. But before you do that, grab your dust remover sticker, and this is going to be your very final step to get rid of any specks of dust that might have gotten on your screen. So go ahead and do that. There we go. And then keep this piece handy right here. This is your little applicator press tool. But first, make sure, there we go. Okay, no dust. Now you want to do this part fairly quickly. So take your sticker off, and the sticky part is at the bottom right there. And then you want to just align from the top side within the alignment tool, and just kind of go from this side, and then just let it go. And you'll see it's going to start to heal. So kind of let it heal, let it do its thing. If you see little bubbles form, don't worry about that. That's okay. Those will be removed in a second. Let's just let this heal as much as possible. And you can see it's still healing right about here. We can still see it's healing about there. Once this side is kind of mostly down, you can take your piece off right here, and then use your little tool, your little press tool, and we're just going to apply pressure to where the bubbles are, and that's going to allow us to push them out. I even like just using my thumb right here, because I can get good pressure with my thumb. You can see, there we go, all those bubbles are gone. There's one little one right up here that hasn't healed. I'm just going to, again, just use my finger and just apply some pressure, and there we go. So the tool itself makes it fairly easy, but yeah, just using your thumb to press it out. Then grab your cloth and wipe down, and you can see perfect installation, absolutely zero bubbles, no dust underneath or anything. We are perfectly good to go.